Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about something that every new English speaker struggles with, and that is pronunciation. You might know tons of vocabulary, your grammar might be perfect, but if your pronunciation isn't clear, people might not be able to understand you. So in this video, I'll share with you 7 powerful tips that you could use to sound more natural and confident when speaking English, even though if it's not your first language. So without further ado, let's get started into the video. Tip number 1, focus on the sounds that just don't exist in your language. One of the biggest challenges when speaking English is that English has sounds that just don't exist in other languages. For example, the TH sound, th, like as in think, thought, than, this. So to apply this sound, this is what you do. Put your tongue between your teeth and you, for the softer sound, just blow softly outwards, say think. Or for the harder sound, use your voice. This, think, this. Another example is the R sound. It is more relaxed than it is in other languages. It is not rolled or tapped. Your tongue does not touch the top of your mouth. Just try saying red, around, right. Notice how the tongue just curves slightly backwards. Through, these, those. Try saying these words again and again, record yourself, compare yourself to other English native speakers, listen to them, and then you'll just see how quickly you'll improve. Tip number 2, pay attention to stress words. English is a stress time language, which means some syllables are longer than others. For example, present or present, record or record. Do you see the difference? They're completely different. Stress changes everything. Stress changes meaning. If you get word stress wrong, even native speakers might have trouble understanding you. A great way to practice is using dictionary apps. They often, if you look in the dictionary, they often show the stress syllable. It is usually highlighted or in capital letters. Okay, or another way you can try it out is clapping or tapping when saying a certain word that you have difficulty with. Try it with me here. Computer, information, photograph. Do you hear the music? That's the English rhythm. Number 3, practice sentence stress. It's not about individual words, it's about how your sentence sounds overall. So native speakers don't pronounce every single word in a sentence clearly. What they do is they emphasize certain words to convey their point. For example, it would be I want to go to the shop. Want, go, and shop are the 3 words that would really be emphasized because they convey the meaning. Or you could say in a gentle, another way would be, if you want to say it quickly and it's not that important, it would be, I want to go to the shop. Now, that would sound more connected and smooth. Try mimicking the music and melody of English. The best way to learn English would be by watching, learning from other English native speakers. The best way you could do that is probably by watching shows such as Friends. Just keep watching them and just repeat what they're saying so you can get into the rhythm and melody of the accent and just the language itself, and you'll just adapt it without even knowing if you do this. Tip number 4, linking your words. One thing that English speakers do to sound more natural and smooth is to link their words. This is something, again, that you can adapt by watching TV shows and see how they do this very smoothly. So, for example, I want to go to the shop. Instead of saying, I want to go to the shop. Go on, or what are you doing? What you doing? So these kind of linking of the words together really help you sound more native and natural, but it depends which settings you can use this in. So make sure to watch out for that video. Try saying, do you want to go out? Try saying it quickly and see how it links and blends together. This would not only make you sound smoother, it would also make you sound more confident. Tip number 5, don't ignore weak forms. English has a lot of weak forms which you just can't ignore. Weak forms are shortened common words. Native speakers use them all the time. If you try to pronounce every single word in a sentence fully, it will sound very unnatural. For example, I want to go for a walk. Try to ignore the weak forms a little bit. So, I want to go for a walk. I want to go for a walk. Okay. This sentence sounds more natural and fluent. Number 6, listen and imitate. This is probably the best tip that I could give you. If you just listen to TV shows, podcasts, YouTube videos, and then just try to shadow what they say in the same type of manner, you'll probably be fluent in no time. Try shadowing, listening to one sentence, repeat, say it yourself, then watch the TV show, then say it again, then watch it till you can get it exactly the same way that they say it. A good sentence to try out would be, it's not what you said, it's how you say it. See how I emphasize certain words and I leave certain words out? If you can just do that by watching TV shows, that'll be literally the best thing that you can do when learning English. This trains your ear, mouth, just like singing along to a song. And finally, tip number 7, clarity is more important than an accent. Don't stress about having an accent. Everyone has one. The main goal should not be to sound more British or perfectly American. You just need to be clear and understandable, because that's what really speaking a language is. Some of the best English speakers have accents, and that is completely okay. Your main focus should be pronouncing sounds clearly, using stress and rhythm, speaking with confidence. Remember, communication comes first. If people won't be able to understand you, you're not speaking a language. Perfection comes second. Then you can improve and polish your language from then on. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know in the comments down below which words you find really hard to pronounce. So without further ado, see you guys next time. Bye!